Hey guys, welcome to our channel. So in this video I'm going to tell you how to check watch history on Twitter. So simply first of all open your Twitter app and log into your account. So here you can see this is my Twitter account. So simply go to profile. So now what we need to do, just you can see under my name there is a username. Just click on username. So now here wait for a few seconds. So now here you can see complete tweet history. Here you can check tweet and replies. Here you can check the media files. Here even you can check the like. So here now you can see all the likes and tweet and media is and your replies. All the watch history is available here.